close to one.
I've never seen
I'm
one
54
ever.
years old. See it?
Look at that sucker. It's probably a 3 by now. It's a real big wedge. Oh man, this is big. You know they can grow up to a mile wide really fast. So I mean that's further than what we are. And I feel the wind is really picking up over here. Big time. Man, it's coming crossing the highway. It's crossing the highway. Holy shit, that's pretty. Ah, that's beautiful.
There'll be coming from Walmart.
No, that didn't take out Walmart. It may have taken out something. It didn't take out the whole thing. Oh man, it's going down up here now. Woo! Now it's probably history. And it's picking up big time too. It's really feeding into it. We better get. I don't know. Windy. We better